I know you love debates, but you are smart enough to get employed so you don't have 4 hours to watch good stuff, and you're smart enough not to watch TV debates. That's where I come in. I watch them over you. Today we are reacting to Charu Pragya, a Supreme Court lawyer of 20 years and also a BJP spokesperson, so a perfect person to talk about the election fraud on the other side. She starts with the history of the election security in India. She asks 4 questions that assesses the health of elections in India, and at the end, she drops an atom bomb that destroys Congress. So watch till the end, subscribe.
We definitely have free elections, that is for sure. And
Are you sure about that?
today, nobody can dispute the fact that our elections are free. But you know, up till a couple of decades ago, even that was not a guarantee. Elections were not free. There were instances where entire villages were stopped from voting. There were instances where bandits would run off with the ballot box and it could be thrown in the river or hidden away somewhere. That was
Okay,
not
it
free
still
elections.
happens. I mean, it still happens. I mean, BJP alleged it last time in 2019 TMC like West Bengal elections, and also they also tried that this time. So it's not like it doesn't happen. It still happens.
And as for fair elections, I asked myself some questions, and I'm going to ask you the same questions, and you can help me. The first test of fair elections is, can anyone contest these elections? Anyone can contest. We have a chaiwala who's become the prime minister. We have a tribal president today. We have regional parties, small regional parties, which have been governing
Okay.
powerful states. We have a political party which was just born and won an election in Tamil Nadu. Every
TVK
single
just made
major ideology in our country
is
has
representing.
won somewhere or the other. And this
Okay.
political competition shows us that anyone can contest and our elections are free and fair. My second question to you is, can a government lose? Most definitely governments can lose. AAP lost Delhi. They thought they were invincible. In fact, their leader Kejriwal used to go around saying that Bhagwan bhi aake Aam Aadmi Party ko Delhi se nikal nahi
निकाल
sakta,
नहीं
mujhko
सकता.
hara nahi sakta. BJP lost Karnataka. BJP was in power and it was a powerful party in power.
That is true.
DMK
That is
lost
true.
Tamil Nadu. And most
Congress
recently
lost
in West
India.
Bengal,
That's the
TMC
biggest
lost
party.
again, and that was also a very
That's the
strong
biggest
government,
thing.
and it had been in power for really long. So, for the second question, can governments lose? Yes, governments lose, and they
Yes.
have lost multiple times.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, at a point sometime last month, our home minister had stated on the floor of the house that if BJP has won 44 elections since 2014, the opposition has won 30. If there was something wrong with the election process, then these 30 also wouldn't have gone to the opposition. Our responsibility is to do our job. Our responsibility is not to make the opposition better at their job.
Yeah, it's
The
true.
third question I'm
Opposition's
asking
terrible.
today,
Opposition's freaking terrible at elections. I don't know. Nobody has the need to do anything for them.
is that in our country, does power change hands peacefully? We've seen instances from other countries that military has to be called in, tanks are roaming around. Does that happen in our country? No.
No.
People
I
lose
mean,
elections.
we did have CRPF at the TMC West Bengal elections.
Government go out of power. The change of power happens in a very peaceful way, except the drama that happened, the tantrums that were thrown in West Bengal this time. But I'm going to take that with a pinch of salt. जहां पर एक मुख्यमंत्री खड़ी हुई और उन्होंने कहा, भाई मैं तो आज भी मुख्यमंत्री हूँ, आपके चुनाव का जो भी नतीजा आया हो, मुझे फर्क नहीं
I don't
पड़ता.
care.
The fourth question
don't
I'm
care.
asking is, can citizens punish a government if they are unhappy about something? And many a times we have seen this happen. I'll give you
It just
examples.
happened. I mean, CJP just won.
इमरजेंसी के बाद कांग्रेस पार्टी चुनाव हार गई थी. जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनी थी. क्यों? क्योंकि जनता नाराज थी. पनिशमेंट दिया, जनता ने हटा दिया. टीएमसी की सरकार पश्चिम बंगाल से चली गई क्योंकि the kind of atrocities that were being melted out over the last decade, and especially in the last few years, were there for everybody to see. With naked eyes, anybody sitting in any part of the world could make out things are
I mean,
terrible.
people couldn't. It was so real. People couldn't say which party they're gonna vote for because they didn't want to like get brutalized. It was that bad with TMC.
Horribly wrong. What did the people of the state do? They came out, they punished the government. वो सरकार हार गई. तो मैं आपको ऐसे बहुत सारे उदाहरण दे सकती हूँ. But if we put these 4 questions together, and we answer them all and we look at it collectively,
Yeah.
elections are absolutely free, absolutely
Very
fair,
fair.
and if there is some reform that needs to be done, हमारे courts are stepping in and ensuring that is happening. I'll give you two very recent examples. कुछ समय पहले elections के खिलाफ in 2019,
If they are free and fair, why are there duplicate voters? Why are there 50 voters at the same addresses? Right? I mean, Rahul Gandhi, what he did was, it was right. Like he was right. His data was correct. It's a different thing that he uses that in a different district, but it doesn't bring that up. But it was correct. Like he uses that, BJP uses all the duplicate voters, fake voters, double voters, triple voters. They do that. But it was correct. It needs changing. Why did we do a SIR at the end? We couldn't have done that before. Why was there a need for SIR? If there was a need for SIR, then there was probably a issue happening. We did that just before elections, like Gujarat municipal elections, Assam elections, Bengal elections. We had to do that right before that. You have to understand, you do that right before because there is an emergency. So what was the emergency? We never were told what was happening. What was the emergency?
21 राजनीतिक दल सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए. 19 opposition political parties moved the Supreme Court against the election process, against EVMs in our country. The Supreme Court heard the entire matter. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक रूलिंग दी जहां पर ये कहा गया कि ईवीएम्स अपना काम ठीक कर रहे हैं, लेकिन दी ऑपोजिशन डिडंट स्टॉप देयर. वो ईवीएम के बाद वीवीपैट पर है. वहां पर कोर्ट को लगा कि नहीं, थोड़ा रिफॉर्म करा जा सकता है, तो एक वीवीपैट एक असेंबली का चेक होने के बजाय दे मेड इट इनटू 5. Most recently, when the SIR process was going on, there were 11 documents that any citizen could give to verify their voting rights. लेकिन जब सबने बोला आधार को भी उसमें इंक्लूड करना चाहिए, the court agreed. आधार was added. So, court, laws, our process, our democratic process, it's living, it's breathing, it's alive, it evolves. And that is an indicator that elections are free and fair in our country. See, बड़ा आसान है institutions के ऊपर attack करना.
So according to her, there might be problems, right? Government might make mistakes, but the Supreme Court or the arbiter of justice is coming in and doing the work. It's working fine.
बड़ा आसान है यहाँ पर आकर बैठना और कह देना कि सीईसी कॉम्प्रोमाइज थे, इलेक्शन कमीशन अपना काम नहीं कर रही है. पहले कभी ईवीएम्स में प्रॉब्लम थी, फिर वीवीपैट में प्रॉब्लम हो गई, फिर इलेक्टोरल लिस्ट में प्रॉब्लम हो गई, फिर एसआईआर के प्रोसेस में प्रॉब्लम हो गई. लेकिन एलिगेशंस के बाद एविडेंस भी तो आना चाहिए ना. एविडेंस आया कहीं से?
No. Evidence? Why would you need evidence?
इतना ज्यादा मैंने एटम बॉम्ब सुना कि मैं तो एक्चुअली इंतजार कर रही थी. मुझे भी पता चले, मी एज अ कंसर्न्ड सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया, मुझे भी पता चले ये कैसा एटम बॉम्ब है, कौन सा एटम बॉम्ब है जो राहुल गांधी हम सबके ऊपर डालने वाले हैं.
और कब फूटने वाला है?
एक्चुअली कम. Did anybody get any kind of evidence to malpractices that are happening in voter revision, in electoral rolls? Absolutely none. And when he was told to put his name where his mouth was shooting off, he refused to do that.
It's true. Come on now. Why for Indians, why didn't you just do a case? Go to the CEC, go to the EC, Election Commission, and just say, yes, I put my name on this. And if I'm wrong, put me in jail. Do it. That would have been an actual moment like that. That is an actual good political thing you could have done for us, for Indians. But you couldn't, bro, because you love that shit. You just wanted to say, oh, BJP is doing this. Everybody's doing that, buddy. Everybody's doing that. You are doing this. Your brothers in BJP are doing this. Everybody's doing this. They love it. And they don't want to stop. They can't stop.
He did not sign an affidavit. कोई ऐसा क्यों करेगा भाई? अगर आप किसी चीज में विश्वास करते
Like,
हो,
if you
मुझे
believe
अगर
it-
आज यहाँ खड़े होके एक सिंपल सी पुलिस कंप्लेंट भी करनी है ना, तो मेरा लोकल थाने वाले जो बैठे होंगे वो मुझको बोलेंगे कि आप चिट्ठी पे लिख के दे दो जी, नीचे अपना नाम पता लिख देना. अगर एक छोटी सी चीज के लिए मुझे ये करना पड़ता है, एक बिजली के बिल की कंप्लेंट के लिए मुझे ये करना पड़ता है, इतना बड़ा फ्रॉड जब आप एलिज करते हो, आप एटम बॉम्ब की बात करते हो, why did you refuse to sign your name
If it's
on
an
that piece
atom
of
bomb,
paper? Why did
blast
you
it.
refuse to sign that affidavit?
Blast it.
And I'm
We
going
would
to
have been
ask
with
this
you.
again and again. आप वोट चोरी की बात कर रहे थे, जितने पकड़े गए एलिगेशंस वो तो सब आपकी पार्टी और आपके स्टेट को फेवर करने वाले निकल कर आए. So these questions the citizens should be raising.
Oh shit! Is that correct? Is that correct? I'm not sure. I'm not gonna laugh at that. We'll just check. Second nuclear test.
Nearly
Smiling Buddha. No, Operation
5,000
Shakti.
बूथ्स पे रीपोल ऑर्डर हुआ था केवल बिहार में. बाकी के देश की मैं बात नहीं कर रही, मैं केवल बिहार की बात कर रही हूँ. वो मेमोरी हमारी आज भी है.
Oh
तो भाई
no.
वहां से आकर
We
हम
forgot
आज
about
आ
that.
गए हैं. अगर बिहार में आपको प्रॉब्लम लगी तो
हाँ.
आपने कितने फॉर्म्स जाकर सबमिट करे alleging some kind of an issue with the election process? None.
You should have done that.
There were no
Why not?
legal on paper objections raised. ऐसे बैठ के शोर मचाना तो बड़ा आसान है कि भाई
मजा
हम
आ-
चुनाव जीत जाते अगर mal
No
practices
वाद.
नहीं होती. So malpractices used to be that. Malpractice was when 35,000 पंचायत में किसी और का नॉमिनेशन नहीं भरने दिया गया पश्चिम बंगाल में in 2023 elections. Do you remember that time? 2023 में पंचायत के पोल्स हुए थे पश्चिम बंगाल में. 35,000 जगहों पे किसी
35,000.
और को नॉमिनेशन नहीं भरने दिया था. इसको कहते हैं हम लोग मैल प्रैक्टिस. सो व्हेन वी आर battling these kind of malpractices, we have to remember that the largest critics of India's electoral process today are the biggest
Biggest.
perpetrators of electoral
Biggest enjoyers of them. Biggest enjoyers. They're just mad it doesn't
malpractices
work
because
for
जब
them
आप पुरानी
anyways.
बात करेंगे वो आपको बोलेंगे इतिहास में नहीं जाना. इतिहास छोड़ के जब हम वर्तमान में आज के केरल के रतन केलकर की बात करेंगे, वहां के सीईओ की बात करेंगे, उनको वो भी डिस्कस नहीं करना.
नहीं,
So
नहीं,
I
नहीं,
think we need to look at free and fair elections from a prism of honesty, realizing that reforms are a living, evolving thing, and India is constantly working at it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. Beautiful, beautiful. What's up, buddy?
Thank you very much, Charuji, for your remarks. Joining us now is the spokesperson for the Samajwadi Party,
Spokesperson. These are my people right there. They sound exactly like me. And you haters out there talking about my accent, hey,
here to bring the opposition's